On this Excel sheet, I will going to be making a pivot table. Basically, pivot table is a new report, a new summary from an existing report, which filters all the duplicates and all the replications and everything. And a pivot table is a summary of an existing report. To make a pivot table, we're gonna go to insert. On the left extreme side, we have this option pivot table. In this dialog box, it will going to ask us select table or range. By putting a cursor somewhere on the range, it automatically activates the whole range, and then they ask use an external data source. We don't want to use an external data source. And secondly, so we're gonna choose second, select table or range. It has given us the range, but we can give it ourselves even. Choose where you want the pivot table to be placed. A new a new worksheet or existing worksheet. I want on this sheet, so I am just gonna put my cursor over here and press OK. As you can see, a pivot, a sidebar has opened, and this shows pivot table 1. All the details like name, degree, subjects, marks, fee date is here now. To make a table, we just gonna take name in the rows column. As you can see, all the duplicate names has now been removed from this new report. Ali, Basit, Bushra, Farooq, Lina, and Mariam. Here Ali was repeating twice and Basit was repeating twice. In a list of hundreds and thousands, this report is so helpful. Well, moving further to degree, subject to column label. Marks, fee, that's marks and values. As you can see, all the marks, degree to report the filter. Let's see, BA, BBA. As you can see, the students who have taken BBA are Basit and Mariam, and their marks are 20, business 15, grand total is 2050. Let's change it. CSS may, yeah, it changes accordingly. All of the students who took all these courses, their marks are now here. So fee, that's how we make a pivot table, and by adding details in this way we can make a new report.